Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. This is Jersey Wife. I'm Fontana. Well, I'm doing a quick video. I'm showing you my haul from CVS. I just got back 2 seconds ago and I went to the 75% off basket, which happened to be at the register this time. And I'm going to tell you what I got. The Garnier Skin Activate Moisturize Balm. I tried it, I tested it. Totally goes right into your skin, and I will show you what it looks like so you know. And it has 30, so you could use it on your face in the sun. Love it. I'm going to list the real prices below, but I'm going to pull out my receipt as soon as I find it and tell you what I paid for it. Okay, this Garnier normally goes for, are you ready for this? 18 something. I got it for $4.62. Bargain. Okay, another Garnier product. Also, Moisture Balm. This is in a little thing. Opened it up. It has like this really cool, it's like light as a feather. You just have to rub it in. And it, very minimal smell, but the smell that's there is super fresh. Floods the skin with long-lasting hydration. I bought 2 of these. These also regularly go for 20 bucks. I got it for 4 something. Oh, I dropped my receipt. This was also normally almost $14, $13.87. I got it for $4.62. The really cool thing, I got a Loreal RevitaLift cream, anti-wrinkle, skin barrier repair, fights wrinkles, blah, blah, blah. There it is. Let's see how much normally the Loreal is. The Loreal, again, $20 for this. I paid $4.50. And here it is. Oh, 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 oh. And this you use every morning. Heard it was really good stuff. I'm going to tell you if it's really good stuff or not. I'm going to let you know. Now, the Yes Hydrate and Restore. This here, which is really cool, has this little lift thing, and you use a piece of cotton and you just dab it down, you know, like alcohol, and it takes off makeup and it doesn't dry out your skin, and it doesn't have anything in it that it's all natural. It's coconut. It's really like a miracle water kind of thing they're trying to get you to do, but it's a moisturizer all in one. So it actually hydrates and it's made with extract coconut and pina colada. That's so funny. That's what it smells like. So yes, let's see how much I paid. The coconut water is normally, $10. I got it for $2.50. I bought 2 of them. Not used. Make sure you check dates. I mean, I would never buy something without checking the dates. These are perfectly unopened. Bought 2 of those. I'm like all about those damn baskets. I'll dig till I find something. This is made by Revlon, Color Charge. And this was normally, let's see how much this normally was. The Revlon powder was usually $8, $9, $10. It usually $11. And I got it for $2.75. And it's a good color too. It's a really cool color. No Rules 105. Very cute color. It's a matte, so it's not that shiny. I'll tell you something. And I used my $2 extra bucks. This is what I do. I love going through those bargains. I just love it. Because, you know, sometimes something is on sale. Not because it's opened or damaged or anything like that. I would imagine that L'Oreal might be changing the packaging. So they have to get the old packaging off the shelves and put on the new packaging. This is dated. I'm going to just look at the date. I looked at it in the store and I forgot what year it was. This is good till 2019. 2019. Okay? Really? Again, 2019. And, you know, this stuff is really good. I'm very, very glad I bought it. I am very glad. This is another one. I'm looking at the date for you guys. This is good till 2019. So sometimes it's packaging that they're changing in the store. So all of my haul today cost me $20-something, and I got 2 Yes coconut makeup removers, 3 Garnier products, a L'Oreal product, which I'm going to definitely heard good things about that. a color shadow. I don't think, my daughter hates moisturizers. Like, it has to be special moisturizer for her face. She doesn't put anything on her face, my one daughter. She actually tried this in a car as soon as I came out. I said, it's not greasy. It doesn't smell of anything. It doesn't have any bad stuff in it. She has it on right now. So anyway, that's my quick video. I need you to give me a thumbs up. I need you to subscribe. I'm doing hauls. I might even go to ShopRite later and see if they have any sale end caps, sale baskets. Ours has a basket. The one near me has a big shopping basket of things. And you really have to dig because it's a lot of kids' toy stuff, baby stuff I don't need. But if you were a mom and you needed baby stuff, or dad, it'd be there. But I'm going to go there later, maybe this week or today, whenever I'm there. I check every store. When I go to Target, I look at their clearance. When I go to anywhere, any store I go to, I always head to clearance first. And that's a smart way to shop. So this is my haul at CVS. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you give me a thumbs up. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.